Here is chameleon. Can you please pick up this one? Yes. Here you can see the beautiful one, chameleon. Okay. What's your shop name?
Jurassic Pet.
Jurassic Pet. So if you want to buy this beautiful chameleon, you can come here at Jurassic Pet. You can see that. Beautiful. Thank you. Then Macau. So here this market is too much big, so you can find different variety of tegu, rodent, French loop, and here is a huge variety of tegu. You can see that. Hi. So here you can. Here is sugar glider. Oh, much cute. Oh. Hedgehog. It's scaly. Oh. Hedgehog.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Iguana.
Iguana. I have seen so much in Explore.
Chinchilla. Chinchilla.
Okay.
So someone looking, they ask something, they can visit my YouTube account as well. I have my YouTube account, Jeric Makata.
Okay. So also subscribe the channel of brother. So here we are seeing the Siberian Husky. They have lab also. You can see the American Golden Retriever here. So cute. What you want? What you want? Oh,
It's automatic.
and here is Swiss Shepherd. I have seen this first time. I have never seen this before. Swiss Shepherd. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's good, it's good.
Really? So much beautiful. And this Maltese. And you know very well, here is the German Shepherd, most common in our Pakistan. Or here is Tokam. This one is beautiful. Red iguana. So much huge. Here is also a beautiful one. colorful. You can see that. Here is another one. Oh, the orange one.
This is Pakistani.
Pakistani, and this one, the smaller one, is
That one Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah.
Red Glory, the special one at the Amazon price.
Skali, Lori,
Kali Lori, Red Lori,
Skali Lori,
Kali Lori,
Cocktail,
Cocktail, and this one,
this one Kaiki,
Kaiki,
Kaik Black Hat,
Kite Black Hat.
Baby 2 months.
Okay.
This one Macau, Blue and Gold,
How much for Macau?
Macau 4,500.
And this one?
Pukato Silver Chris 6,500.
Cardo Silver. I think so. This one is so much loving.
This one Kaiki White Billy.
Kaiki White Chili.
This one real.
Polished chicken. So polished chicken is also here. And this one? This one?
It's Besan.
Pheasant. Here is the pheasant. So if you really want to eat something, so you can also find the places here. It's a beautiful evening if you are animal lover and want to spend some time here. Friends, here is the quick review of Dubai Birds and Pets Market. It's really a superb place, and you have a time and you are in Dubai, you must visit it. It's also a worth seeing place, but you need to at least 2 hours to see all things. Moreover, one more thing you can see from there is beautiful view of Dubai, whole Dubai from here. So stay connected with me, subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.